Welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. Today's tip brings us to Adobe Illustrator to look at some options to simplify paths as well as to adjust your stroke lines. So let's start with simplifying paths. You can see that I drew this example antenna just here using our pencil tool. You can also use the pen tool. You can see it's made up of anchor points, but not entirely perfect and smooth like the ones that I have on my drawing here. So in order to make that happen, all you need to do is go to Object and down to Path and over to Simplify. Once you have that menu open, just pull the tab over to the left until it removes as many anchor points as you'd like. And you can see that my path is already way smoother here, now down to a total of 4 anchor points. Looks way better than the original. Now I can change it to my fill instead of a stroke, and it can definitely be something that I would use in my design. The second thing I'm going to show you is how to adjust the lines of your stroke. So you know that when you draw with the pen tool or pencil tool, it's going to give you this really sharp, jagged edge at the end of all of your lines that you create. This doesn't really look finished in your design, so taking it a step further, if you go to either Window and down to Stroke to open up the Stroke menu, or you can find it here on the right-hand side of your toolbar, you're going to either change the cap of it so that it has now a curved edge on the cap rather than that straight edge, or there's also the different profile options. Those also can be found at the top of your screen. So I can drop down from thin to thick to thin. It looks way more brush-like in form and much smoother rather than that sharp edge that was left. So you can see that if I went through and did my entire design like that, it would look much better, much stronger as a piece. I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.